Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make pattern lock invisible in UNIHERTZ Tank-Free. This will help you to hide your pattern lock from other people. First, go to Settings, then go to Security. Then go down to Screen Lock and press on Settings icon on the right side. Now you can toggle off or on pattern visibility. I'll turn it off and show you how it looks right now. I can toggle it back on and unlock my phone with visible pattern. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.